Download the archive from the website to your Windows device. Open the local disk where your operating system is installed. Create a folder at the following path: C:\program files x86 /APTOFI Backup Files. Extract the program files into this folder. Run the application as administrator. The program will create the required files and then launch automatically. Accept the user agreement and the disclaimer regarding the use of the software. Open settings and select your preferred interface language from the 13 available options. Click Create Job and select the backup mode that fits your requirements. Enter the job name. Set the priority level, which affects execution order when multiple jobs run at the same time. Select the compression level. Note that this directly impacts backup speed during archiving. Select the folder or file that you want to back up. Select the execution method: interval, calendar, or special mode, which includes advanced scheduling options. You can configure separate schedules for full backups and incremental backups, which include new or modified files. Set the folder where the backups will be saved. Click Create. The job will appear in the main window. Then click the Start button to run the job immediately. After that, the job will begin executing. Detailed information about the program's actions will appear in the log window. After completion, you can open the destination folder and verify that the backup was created and all files were saved correctly. Test the incremental backup process. Create a new file or modify an existing file in the source folder. Then wait until the scheduled time for the incremental backup to run. In the log window, you will see the completion message. After that, open the incremental archive with the .inc prefix to view the files that were changed during the defined time period. By using this software, you acknowledge and agree that you assume full responsibility for the safety, integrity, and recovery of your data, and that the author and developer shall not be held liable for any data loss, corruption, improper recovery, or any direct or indirect consequences arising from its use.